Ukrainian Himars have a new victim, destroying a Russian convoy in Stara Kraya-Senianka, Luhansk Oblast. Freedom of Russia Legion published a photo of a killed occupier near Bakhmut, Donetsk region. The inscription reads, "I don't order a passport for travel. I'm waiting for Russia to be everywhere." This evacuation of remaining civilians from Russian-occupied parts of Kherson, west of the Dnieper, remains deeply intriguing.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.